Oh, hi, my name is Rachel, and it's nice to see some of you guys again, and nice to see some new people now that we're starting our last year of the program. Um, the agency that I'm going to be working in is actually where I work for my regular job, but I'm going to be doing something much different than what I normally do. I work for a medical center where I'm a discharge planning social worker, but my placement is going to be with the HIV and AIDS coordinator. So, in the position that I'm going to be doing for my internship, I will be running groups with New Jersey Buddies as well as working in the clinic. Where we're going to see new patients, we're going to see old patients, we're going to be doing a lot of psychosocial assessments as well as I'm not entirely sure. I know part of it is going to be doing some data collection as well as the psychosocial piece the to assess like the needs and put into place what the patient's needs are, both emotionally and concrete stuff. What I'm hoping to get out of this experience is a comfort level and experiences running groups. The last time I ran groups was a job I had like 20 years ago, and I didn't know what I was doing. And it was really anxiety producing to be running groups. I ran a TBI group, a telephone group for shut-ins, and a post-stroke group. And it was kind of like my supervisor said, okay, go run these groups. And I didn't really know what I was doing. So I'm looking forward to learning how to run groups and being comfortable running the groups. And how do I expect this field experience to be different? Well, the experience I had last year was working in a nursing home where I did mostly biopsychosocial assessments. So I feel really comfortable in that role. This is going to be much different. It's going to be a lot more clinical, a lot and just like a lot different. And the client interaction, the there where I worked in a nursing home, people were living there, and a lot of stuff was working with their aging in place and how they're coping with being in the facility, where this is going to be how they're coping with receiving like a traumatic diagnosis. Running a The group I'm going to be running is a couples group where one person has HIV and the other person does not. So like a positive negative group. I'm really excited and looking forward to it, and nice to meet you guys. So take care and be well. Bye bye.